Exercise 4. Telephone message. Listen to the conversation and fill in the missing information in the right place. Good afternoon. 651-8935.
Hello, could I speak to Wendy?
I'm afraid she is not in right now. Can I take a message?
Yes, there is a party at Bob's house on Sunday night. Bob's address is Flat 4, 45 Church Road.
Bob's address is Flat 4, 45 Church Road.
And could you tell her that if she is interested to call me back this evening? My telephone number is 361-3759.
Your number is 361-3759. All right. Sorry, who is calling?
Oh, I'm sorry. My name is Sandy Paris.
Sandy Paris. Fine. I'll give her the message. Goodbye.
Goodbye.